Hello, welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Vivek and today I'll be helping you connect your OnceHub account with Zapier. Zapier is a very useful automation tool that will help you to send data from OnceHub to any other third-party application that Zapier supports. Currently, you can send data using booking calendars, booking pages, routing forms, and chatbots. In this video, I will also be showing you where to find the Zapier API key and ID which will be used when connecting your OneSub account within Zapier. To begin, you can log in to OneShub, click on the gear icon at the top right corner, and then click on Account Integrations. We can then scroll down to Zapier, click on Manage Zaps, and then click on Connect. This will then take us to a page where we would need to enter our credentials for the Zapier account. Currently, I am connecting a demo account so that I can show how the process works. Once my credentials have been entered, I would have to authorize Zapier to be able to access data from OneShub. So I can click on Allow for that. And then you can go back to the Add Zaps button, search for the integration that you want to connect with, and you can go ahead with creating your Zap. For this video, I will be creating a Zap from scratch so that I can show where the Zapier API key and ID can be found and where it needs to be entered. So on the Zap screen, I can select the trigger as OnceHub. For the trigger event, I will be choosing any event. The trigger event represents when the data will be sent from OneShub to Zapier. And then I will click on sign in so that I can connect uh, my account. As you can see, a pop-up has appeared which is asking me for my API key and API ID. To get this information, I will go back to OneShub and then click on the button for API key at the top of the screen. And then I can copy the API key from here and enter it in the pop-up. Once I've done that, I can just click on continue to OnceHub and then check if my account gets connected or not. The pop-up has closed and now we can go back to Zapier and it looks like my OneSub account has been successfully connected. I hope this video was helpful to you. In case you have any queries, you can always reach out to us at support@onesub.com. I hope you have a good day and take care.